Yeah, hello all. Welcome back. So in the previous session, we have gone through the different accounting entries, right?
Yeah.
So now in this class, we will go through the revenue account determination configuration.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
So it is revenue account determination configuration. So now let me go through it. So in standard SAP, the revenue account will be get determined based on sales organization plus account assignment group of the customer. Okay. In the same way, account assignment category of the material along with what is that? Account key. Okay. See, in the standard SAP, the revenue account will get determined based on sales organization plus account assignment category of the customer. In the same way, account assignment category of the material and account key. Okay. So here we have the field account assignment group of the customer in customer master, right? So in the customer master, where can we find this account assignment group of the customer? In which tab we can find it?
Business tab.
In the billing tab we can find it.
Billing tab.
Right? So I will show you it. It's in billing tab. Okay. Account assignment group of the means account assignment category of the material, which we can find it in material master, right? So here let me go back to the account assignment category of the customer. Let me open one customer, then I can able to show you that. So let me take one of our customers. See, if we take our customer here, then let me go through the sales area. Then if we go to the sales area data and here billing documents. Okay. See, here we can find the field account assignment group of the customer, right? Have you seen that? This is the one. Okay.
Okay.
So here we can mainly find two entries in the standard. Those are nothing but domestic revenues and foreign revenues. Okay.
Okay.
So now the next field is account assignment group of the material. So now let me take one of our materials. Benzene 150, for example. So where can we find the field account assignment group of the material? Which is in the material master, sales are to view. Okay. So here you can able to see the field, right?
Yeah.
What is that? Account assignment group of the material. And if you go through the field values, here you can able to see either the trading goods or the finished goods or service goods, like that. Okay. So if it is 1, which means trading goods, and if the value is 3, means finished goods. Okay,
Mm.
see. Then the next one is account key.
Mm.
So already we have gone through sales organization, account assignment, category of the customer, then account assignment category of the material. So the next one is account key, right? So in the standard, the revenue account will get determined based on this criteria. That's what we have covered.
Mm.
So this is what is covered, and this is what is covered, and this is what is also covered. Now we have to see the account key. So where can we see the account key?
In
Which,
pricing.
yes, which we can find in pricing procedure, right?
Mm.
So let me go through our pricing procedure. So the transaction I
V
use
slash
is
08.
yes V/08. So now
Mm.
let me go through our procedure. MR all zero setting. Yes.
Mm.
See, if we select it and if we go through the control here,
Mm.
see here you can find account keys, right? This is the one.
Mm.
Okay, these are all nothing but the account keys.
Mm.
Okay, so if we would like to determine the revenue GL account, then what we have to do? We should maintain a sales organization, then account assignment group of the customer, then the account assignment group of the material, in the same way account key.
Mm.
Okay, so in standard the revenue account will get determined based on this criteria.
Mm.
So now let me give you some of the account keys.
Okay.
So here let me give ERL, which is the account key which is used for revenues. Okay,
Mm.
and ERS is used for discounts.
Mm.
And ERF, which is used for freight.
Mm.
And ERB, it is used for rebates. Okay, and ERU, which is used for accruals. Okay, so in our project along with them we will also use account key for insurance and for
Mm.
loading and for packing.
Mm.
Okay, so for the insurance we use MIN insurance,
Mm.
and for loading MLO, and for packing MPA.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
and the standard account key we use for the tax is nothing but MWS. MWST is the condition type, MWS is the, what is that, account key.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
so I think you have noted down all these account keys.
Okay.
So now let me move to the path for the revenue account determination. Okay, so what is the path?
Mm.
So first of all we have to go through SPRO, then sales and distribution,
Mm.
then basic functions,
Mm.
then account assignment,
Okay.
yes, account assignment, costing, something like that. Then in which we can find a revenue account determination.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what is the path you have to follow. So now let me go through that. Let me go through SPRO, and here SAP reference IMG. Then here, what is that? Sales and distribution. And here basic functions. Okay, so here account assignment and costing. So here the first one is revenue account determination, right? Okay, see here, what is the first one? Check master data relevant for account assignment. So we have to click on it. So here what we can find?
Material
Account assignment group of the materials. And this is what is account assignment group of the customers. Okay, so as we have already discussed, we have some standard values, right? But now we will create the new values here. So see here, let me create two new values. M1 is for trading goods. Okay, M2 is for trading goods. Okay, and M1 is for manufacturing goods. So now we have created two entries, right? See, here you can see two entries. M1 is for manufacturing goods and M2 is for trading goods. Okay, so this is what is nothing but the account assignment group of the materials. And now we are moving to the account assignment group of the customers. Okay, see here, let me create two entries. M1 trading goods. No, these are the goods, right? So M1 domestic customers, and let me create M2 is for foreign customers. So here we have created two entries, right? M1 is for domestic customers and M2 is for foreign customers. So we have created two account assignment group of the materials and two account assignment group of the customers. So now what I will do is I will assign the account assignment group of the customer as well as to the materials. So now let me go through our material MM02, and here this is our material, right? Vaccine 150. So for which I will assign account assignment group of the material. See here the field value is blank, right? So now let me make it is a manufacturing good. So I have given the account assignment group as the M1, nothing but the manufacturing good, right? So in the same way, let me make the changes to the customer master also. So here, see, the customer is Medibudi. Okay, so to whom I am giving the assignment account assignment group as domestic customer. Okay, so now let me save it. So far we have, what is that, created the account assignment group of the materials, in the same way account assignment group of the customers, and we have assigned the same to our material master, in the same way in our customer master. So I think you are clear.
Okay.
Okay, so now let me move to the next thing here. So again, account assignments and costing here, then revenue account determination. So here the next one is define dependencies of revenue account determination, right? See here, account determination, display tables, and the next one is create tables. And this is what is account determination change table. This is nothing but the field catalog. So already I have told you what is the field catalog.
Where we maintain tables.
No, field catalog is nothing but which consists of list of the allowed fields.
Fields.
Yes, and we can use the fields to create the condition tables. So this field catalog will help us to create our condition tables. So now what we will do, we will create the tables first, right? As we are following the condition technique. So condition technique means creation of the tables, account assign, then access sequences, then type, condition types, then we have to place them into the pricing procedure, then we have to determine it to the given combination, given criteria. So now let me go through the creation of the tables. See here in standard, how the account assignment means that the revenue account will get determined, which will get determined based on sales organization, account assignment group of the customer, and account assignment group of the material, right? This one is, let me go through the field value. So actually this is what is account assignment group of the customer, and this is it. This is nothing but account assignment group of the material. So if you need any clarification, then you have to click on here, then you have to go through the field attributes. So here you can come to know the short text, right?
Okay.
See here the short text is account assignment group of the material. So here we have given sales organization, account assignment group of the customer, account assignment group of the material, then account key. Okay, with these 4 allowed fields, we are creating a table now. So now we click on enter and see here we have to give the package. So now let me save it. So what is the table got generated now? Which is nothing but 501, right?
501.
Yeah, I think it's better you can keep it somewhere. Okay, you can note it down somewhere. So here next one is define access sequences and account determination types, right? But actually till now we have created only one entry, means one table. So now let me create some more tables also. Like whenever we are creating the tables for condition records, we can find multiple key combinations, right? So like that I would like to create 3 to 4 key combinations here. So the next key combination I would like to create with sales organization, okay, account assignment, category of the customer, then account key. Okay, so here I left the account assignment group of the material. So now let me generate the table. We have created the table 503 also. So now let me create one more table. In this table, I am leaving the account assignment category of the customer. Okay, so this table consists of sales organization, account assignment group of the material, and account key. So now let me select it. Yes. See, we have created one more table, right? So now let me create one more table, sales organization plus account key. So I think you are going to note down these table numbers.
Yeah.
Okay then. So now let me create one more table only with the combination of sales organization. Okay. So what is the table which is got generated? 506.
6.
Okay. So now we have created many tables. So now let us move to the next point here. Define access sequence and account determination types, like condition types and access sequences. So now let me click on it and see here, what is that? Maintain access sequence for account determination, right? So let me go through it. So in the standard, we can find what is the access sequence? KOFI. In the standard, we use the account access means the access sequence for revenue account determination is nothing but KOFI. So now what we do, we will create a new access sequence, add a new condition type. Okay. So we will create based on the KOFI, we will create MOFI. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now let me go through it. First of all, let me tell you what exactly the tables maintained in the KOFI. Let us see what are the tables maintained there. Oh, sorry. So again, let me go back here. So now let me go through sales and distribution. Here basic functions, and here then yeah, this one. So now see, let me select the KOFI and let me go through the accesses. See here, how many accesses we can find? How many tables they have maintained here? 5 tables, right? Customer group, material group means account assignment category of the customer. No. Customer group, material group, account key. Customer group, account key. Material group, account key. This is account key and this is general. Okay. So now let us leave this one for a while. Then we will create a new one. What is that? MOFI. This is for domestics, okay? Or else we can simply name it as domestic revenues. So what we have to do next? We have to select it and go through the accesses, right? So what are the tables? Can you please mention the tables one by one? 501?
Tables. 501.
Yes.
501.
Not 501. Account sales organization, account assignment group of the customer, account assignment group of the material, and account key. Okay. Then the next one is
4.
5 not
4.
504. 4.
4.
Mm.
Sales organization, account assignment group of the material. I think 5 not 3 is also there. See,
No.
sales organization, account assignment group of the customer and account key.
Mm.
Okay, so now let me go through the next table. Sales organization,
Mm.
account assignment group of the material, then account key.
Mm. Mm.
So now the next
5.
one is 5 not
5.
5.
Mm.
Sales organization plus account key. So now let us move to the next one. What is that? 5 not
506. 6.
6. Sales organization. Okay, so these are the tables which we would like to maintain in our access sequence MOFI. So now let me go through the fields. Now this one, let me go through the fields. So now let me select this one. Let me go through the fields. So now this one. Now only sales are. Okay. See, now I am going to save it. Okay. So here we have created the access sequence MOFI. So I think you are clear.
Mm. Exactly.
Okay. Now let me go through the definition of types, account determination types. Okay. So now
Mm.
here in the standard we can see KOFI and KOFK. Right.
Mm. Okay.
So here let me create our condition type MOFI.
Mm.
And what is the access sequence? MOFI.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. This is for revenue account. Okay.
Mm.
So we have to create one more. But for now, I'm just going through this MOFI only, means the domestic revenues only. Okay.
Mm.
So in the next class, I will let you know the creation of KOFK. Means this is what is used for the revenue account determination with CO object.
Mm.
Okay. So now you don't worry.
Mm.
In the next session, I will let you know that.
Okay.
Okay. But for now,
Mm.
I am creating this one. What is this? The condition type for revenue account determination, which is nothing but MOFI. So now let me save it.
Mm.
So we have created the condition types also, right? So what is the next thing? We have to define and assign account determination procedure.
Mm.
Okay. So now let me click on it. See here, define account determination procedure.
Mm.
So what is the standard account determination procedure?
KOFI.
Yes,
00.
KOFI 00.
Mm.
Okay. So in the billing type controls, we can see that, right? Have you seen that?
Mm.
Have you seen it in the billing type controls?
I've seen it.
Okay then. So now let me create a new procedure here because I don't want to use the standard.
Mm.
So our procedure is MOFI 00.
Mm.
Okay. So now let me name it as revenue account determination procedure.
Mm.
Okay. So now let me select it and let me go through the control data. And here in the step number 10, I will give what is the condition type?
MOFI.
Yes, MOFI. KOFI is the standard one, but here we have created our own condition type MOFI.
Mm.
Okay, so now let me save it. So now let me go back. See here, what is the next step? Assign account determination procedure, right?
Yeah.
So now let me click on it and see what is our billing type. Standard billing type. We are using EF2, right? For which what is the procedure assigned? KOFI 00. But now we have created our own procedure, which is nothing but MOFI 00. So in the place of KOFI 00, now we are going to use our procedure. Now let me remove it and let me save it. So I have assigned the procedure also. Okay.
Okay.
So now see, define and assign the account keys. What is the next step? We have to define the account keys. As I have already told you, there are some account keys, right? So now let us create some account keys, because the standard account keys are there, but I don't want to use them. So here what we are doing, we will create our own account keys. So the first one is ERL, right? So for which I would like to use MRL, which is for revenues. Okay. So now let me create a new one. MRL, which is for revenues. And the second one is MRS. This is for discounts. Okay.
Okay.
And the third one is MRF. This is for freight. And the next one is MRB. This is for rebates. And the next one is MRU. This is for accruals. Okay.
Okay.
And the next one is MIN. This is for insurance. And the next one is MLO. This is for loading, because already we have created some condition types for insurance and some condition types for loading, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why only I am creating the new account keys for them. And the next one is for MPC, which is for packing. Okay. And as we already have, MWS is for tax, right? So I think it's better you can note down all of them.
Okay.
MRL for revenues, MRS for discounts, and MRF for freight, MRB for rebates, MRU for accruals, MIN for insurance, and MLO for loading, and MPC for packing. Okay. So now let me save them. So now see here, assign account keys, right? The next one is account, assign account keys. So here what is our procedure? MOFI 00. Okay, see here
Okay.
we have many condition types. These are all our condition types. So this is what is our procedure.
Mm.
What is this procedure? This is what is our pricing procedure.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
which we can open in the transaction V/08, right?
Mm.
So in which we have all these condition types. What are them?
Okay.
MR00, M005, this one, all these.
Mm.
Insurance, packing, loading, right?
Mm.
So now what I am going to do is, I would like to assign the account keys here. So so here the first one is MR00, right? Base price.
Mm.
For which, what is the account key we will use? This is
Base price.
nothing but the revenue.
Mm.
So let us use MRL, revenues,
Mm.
and this one is the discount.
Mm.
So let me use MRS. This is what is also discount. So now let me use MRS, and this is what is condition supplement, right?
Mm.
So we haven't created anything for that. This is also a discount, right? Supplement discount. So let me use MRS. So this is also a discount. So MRS. CPU3 is also a discount, right?
Mm.
MRS. So here is also MRS. This is what also discount.
Mm.
Percentage discount. MRS. So just discount. Free goods.
Mm.
So here I'm not going to maintain the account keys for them. For the insurance, for the freight, it is a revenue. So let me give MRL. So this is what is insurance, for which we have created a new account key. For which also, what is the account key we have created for packing? MPC. Yes, MPC.
Mm.
Okay. For loading,
Okay.
MLO.
MLO.
So here I have assigned the free goods. It's also, let me give some account key. Okay. So now let me save it. So here I have account what is this, assigned the account keys, right?
Mm.
But we can see them in the transaction V/08 also.
Mm.
See here, let me go through our pricing procedure and let me select it, and see here these are all got assigned, right? Can you see them?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Mm.
if we assign there, then which will get assigned here.
Mm.
Okay, so what is the next step here? Assign GL accounts.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, see here we have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are our tables, and the first 5 is the tables of, means those are the standard tables, right? Did you get me? These 4, yeah, these 5 are our tables.
Okay.
So now if we click on one of our tables,
Mm.
then here we can see the determination.
Mm.
What we have given, as we have told earlier, as we have discussed earlier, the revenue account will get determined based on sales organization, right?
Mm.
Plus
Okay.
account assignment category of the customer,
Mm.
plus account assignment group of the material, plus account key. So we will give this criteria. to which we will assign one GL account, right? So this is what we have to create and we have to assign. Actually, the creation of the GL account is the task of the FI consultants. But here we don't have any FI consultants as you are using the practice system. So I will let you know how can we create the GL accounts in the next session. Okay?
Okay.
So for now, I think you are clear with the configuration. And
Okay.
if you have any queries in this regard, then you can ask me now. In the next session, we will go through the creation of the GL accounts and we will assign to our key combinations. Okay? So for this
Okay.
key combination, we will assign the GL account, and for which also, and for this, and for this, and for this. Are you okay? Are you clear?
Yeah. Yeah, great, sir.
Yeah, okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Mm-hmm.